Hello everybody, how you guys been doing? And welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Netspend Western Union account. Basically, this account was created in collab with the Western Union Bank and Netspend prepaid debit card creating company. Alright, so this is like the collab account of these two. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. Now let's jump into the video now, shall we? First step is you want to search for Netspend Western Union login. After you search for it, you can see WUNETSPEND.com, the official website of Western Union and Netspend collab website. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna bring you to this website. Once you're in this website and you see this logo over here of Western Union and Netspend, both of it, then you're at the correct website. Over here where it says username, enter the username of your account over here. After you enter the username where it says passport, enter the passport of your account as well. After you enter the username and passport of your account, click on login and you should be able to log in into your Western Union Netspend account. Alright, it's that simple. If you forgot your username or password, you can even click on these two to recover it. And you can click on open a new account to create yourself a new account, or like open yourself a new account. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.